Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming essential prerequisites: accurate business name, address, and phone. Once done, sign into the Google account you'll use for ownership. Next, open the Google Business Profile creation flow and enter your official NAP exactly. This avoids future verification mismatches. Make sure you select the correct primary business category because it influences search visibility. Finally, choose whether to list a service area versus a storefront. Pick the option that matches how customers find you. Now focus on verification and building a complete profile. You'll request verification. Postcard mail is common, but phone or email may be instant. Choose the fastest available and follow instructions exactly. While waiting, fill out business hours, services, menus, and key attributes to help relevance. Add at least 3 interior and exterior photos and a clear logo. Images improve click-through rates. Once verified, regularly post updates and respond to reviews to signal activity to Google and potential customers. To finish, optimize listings. Add services, menu items, products, and booking links so users can act immediately. Once live, check insights weekly to understand searches and clicks. Make adjustments to categories and descriptions to improve performance. If you encounter issues, like suspended listing or verification failure, first confirm NAP consistency and business category accuracy. Then request a new verification postcard and escalate to Google support if needed. Keep responding to reviews and updating photos to maintain ranking and trust.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.